Nothing says summer like the sizzle of a hot grill and the enticing aroma of food cooking over an open flame. Grilling fish in particular is a culinary adventure that promises both simplicity and incredible flavor. The high heat of the grill sears the fish to perfection, locking in its natural juices and creating a crispy, flavorful exterior. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or a curious beginner, preparing grilled fish is a breeze. From classic salmon to exotic swordfish, the options are endless and the results are guaranteed to impress. So fire up your grill, gather your ingredients, and get ready to experience the joy of grilling fish. Let's dive into 5 fantastic grilled fish recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and elevate your grilling game to new heights. Get ready for a culinary journey that's as easy as it is delicious. Let's start with a timeless classic grilled salmon with lemon and dill. This recipe is incredibly easy to prepare, making it perfect for weeknight dinners or casual gatherings. The fresh, bright flavors of lemon and dill perfectly complement the rich, buttery taste of the salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each, 1 lemon thinly sliced, a quarter cup of fresh dill sprigs, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your grill to medium heat. Lightly oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper. Place a few lemon slices and dill sprigs on top of each fillet. Grill the salmon for 4 to 6 minutes per side or until cooked through and flaky. This classic grilled salmon recipe is best served immediately, allowing the flavors to shine. Pair it with a simple side dish like roasted vegetables or a light salad for a complete and satisfying meal. For those who crave a little heat, spicy Cajun grilled tilapia is the perfect choice. The tilapia fillets are coated in a flavorful Cajun spice rub that adds a kick to every bite. The high heat of the grill creates a crispy crust, sealing in the moisture and enhancing the spicy flavors. Ingredients: 4 tilapia fillets, about 4 ounces each, 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the Cajun seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Rub the spice mixture evenly over both sides of the tilapia fillets. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Lightly oil the grill grates to prevent sticking. Grill the tilapia for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until cooked through and flaky. The spicy Cajun grilled tilapia is a symphony of flavors and textures. The crispy exterior gives way to tender, flaky fish, while the Cajun spices provide a satisfying heat that lingers on the palate. Serve it with a side of rice and beans for a taste of the bayou. This recipe is incredibly versatile and can be adjusted to suit your spice preference. If you prefer a milder flavor, reduce the amount of cayenne pepper. Mediterranean grilled swordfish with olive salsa, a taste of the Aegean. Transport your taste buds to the Mediterranean with this flavorful grilled swordfish recipe. The swordfish steaks are grilled to perfection and topped with a vibrant olive salsa. Ingredients: 4 swordfish steaks, about 6 ounces each, half a cup of pitted Kalamata olives chopped, a quarter cup of red onion finely chopped, a quarter cup of chopped fresh parsley, a quarter cup of chopped fresh oregano, 2 tablespoons of capers rinsed, a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Combine the olives, red onion, parsley, oregano, capers, olive oil, and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Season the swordfish steaks with salt and pepper. Lightly oil the grill grates. Grill the swordfish for 4 to 6 minutes per side. Top with the olive salsa and serve immediately. The firm, meaty texture of the swordfish pairs perfectly with the bright acidity of the olive salsa. Enjoy with a side of grilled vegetables or a simple salad. Section 5. Asian-inspired grilled cod with ginger and soy, exotic and flavorful. Embark on a culinary adventure to Asia with this exotic and flavorful grilled cod recipe. Marinate cod fillets in a blend of ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil for an irresistible umami flavor. Ingredients: 4 cod fillets, a quarter cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, sesame oil, and honey, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 minced garlic clove, and a quarter teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Whisk together the marinade ingredients. Coat the cod fillets evenly and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat your grill to medium heat and lightly oil the grates. Grill for 3 to 4 minutes per side until cooked through. Garnish with chopped green onions and serve immediately. This dish is a symphony of flavors that will transport your taste buds to the Far East. Best served with steamed rice and stir-fried vegetables.